Hey guys, it's Ashley at ZZP. Today we're going to be doing cold air intake on a 3800. First, we're going to start with a 13mm socket. We want to remove support bars. After you remove the support bar, remove the IAT sensor from the air duct. Using a flathead screwdriver, we want to loosen the clamp and the intake duct. After you've loosened the clamp, you want to remove from the air duct. Remove the clamps. Using an 8mm socket, you want to remove PCM from the airbox. Make sure you disconnect your battery before you disconnect the PCM. Using a 7mm socket, you want to remove the plugs from the PCM. After you loosen those bolts, you want to remove PCM. Lift up, remove the PCM tray. From there, you will remove the old airbox. You might want to use a flathead screwdriver and make sure you get this all the way off. After you remove the old airbox, make sure you take these clip nuts so that when you add the new airbox, you can fasten that down. On the new airbox, you can use a flathead screwdriver. It is Zeus fastened down. Turn, pop up. Using a 10mm socket, you're going to want to place all 3 screws in the bottom of your airbox. Place the PCM box back into the new airbox. Connect your PCM. Use your 7mm socket. Fasten your PCM back into the PCM box. Use your ZZP air filter, your coupling. Make sure it butts all the way down. Tighten your clamp. Place your ZZP air filter in the new airbox. Once your intake tube is connected to the throttle body, to your filter, you want to tighten your clamps all the way down. Take your IAT sensor, place it right there. After you replace the IAT sensor, you want to cover back with your heat shield. Place your Zeus fasteners. Once you've fastened your heat shield back on, make sure to connect the battery again. And that is how you install a cold air intake on a Pontiac Grand Prix GT. Stay tuned for the next install and make sure you like and subscribe.